Hello everyone, have you ever wondered why Jewish people have a reputation for financial acumen and success? Today we're diving deep into the timeless rules and the secrets to becoming rich that I've learned from Jewish traditions and practices. These principles have stood the test of time and can transform your financial life if applied correctly. So let's unlock these secrets together. The power of education and knowledge. Education and knowledge have long been considered the bedrock of success in Jewish culture, emphasizing continuous learning and intellectual growth. A compelling example of this principle in action is the story of Sergey Brin, the co-founder of Google. Born in the Soviet Union, Brin's family immigrated to the United States to escape persecution. His parents, both academicians, instilled in him a profound respect for education from an early age. Brin's journey into success was paved with the relentless pursuit of knowledge. He attended the University of Maryland, where he excelled in mathematics and computer science. It was at Stanford University, however, that his intellectual curiosity truly blossomed. Here, Brin met Larry Page, and together they embarked on a research project that would revolutionize the world, the development of a search engine that became Google. Brin's story illustrates how a strong educational foundation can lead to extraordinary achievements. His academic prowess and innovative thinking were critical in transforming a simple idea into a global phenomenon. The emphasis on education in Jewish culture is not merely about acquiring degrees, but fostering a mindset that values curiosity, critical thinking, and lifelong learning. Another inspiring example is that of Ruth Bader Ginsburg, the late Supreme Court Justice. Ginsburg's dedication to her studies at Cornell University and Harvard Law School, despite facing gender discrimination, underscored her belief in the transformative power of education. Her legal acumen and determination led her to become a leading advocate for gender equality, ultimately shaping American jurisprudence. Ginsburg's story shows how education can empower individuals to challenge societal norms and effect significant change. Her legacy is a testament to the impact of knowledge and the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity. These narratives highlight that education and knowledge are not just pathways to personal success, but tools for driving societal progress. They show that investing in learning and intellectual development can yield remarkable results, both personally and for the broader community. If you're enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. The importance of community and networking. The power of community and networking within Jewish culture is a formidable force driving success and wealth creation. In Jewish tradition, the concept of kehillah, meaning community, is central. This isn't just a theoretical idea, but practical everyday reality that has helped Jewish people achieve remarkable success throughout history. Let's delve into the story of David Greenberg, a successful venture capitalist from New York. David's journey to the top of the financial world is a testament to the strength of community and networking. Growing up in a tightly knit Jewish neighborhood, David was constantly surrounded by a supportive community that emphasized mutual assistance and collaboration. This environment nurtured his entrepreneurial spirit from a young age. David records his first significant business endeavor, an innovative tech startup. When he needed initial funding and strategic advice, he turned to his community. The local Synagogue's business networking events provided a platform for David to pitch his idea. He received not only financial backing, but also mentorship from experienced community members who had walked the entrepreneurial path before him. These connections were invaluable, offering insights that helped him navigate the challenges of launching a startup. Moreover, the Jewish emphasis on community extends beyond local networks. The global Jewish community often acts supportive web where connections can span continents. When David sought to expand his business internationally, his connections within the Jewish community opened doors to markets in Europe and Israel. This global network, bound by shared values and trust, facilitated partnerships and collaborations that were crucial for his business growth. Another compelling example is the story of Rachel Steen, a real estate mogul. Rachel attributes much of her success to the strong community ties she cultivated through Jewish philanthropic events and social gatherings. By actively participating in these events, Rachel built a network of trusted allies who later became her business partners and clients. These relationships were founded on mutual respect and a shared commitment to community values, which proved to be a solid foundation for her ventures. Rachel's community not only provided her with business opportunities, but also a platform for continuous learning. Regular interactions with other successful professionals at community events allowed her to stay abreast of industry trends and innovative strategies. This continuous exchange of knowledge and ideas within the community created a rich environment for personal and professional growth. In Jewish culture, the importance of community and networking transcends mere business transactions. It is about building genuine relationships based on trust, mutual support, and shared values. These networks offer more than just financial gains. They provide emotional support, mentorship, and a sense of belonging that empowers individuals to achieve their highest potential. The stories of David and Rachel illustrate how the Jewish emphasis on community and networking create a fertile ground for success and wealth creation. Ethical business practices and philanthropy. Ethical business practices and philanthropy are pillars of Jewish culture that have significantly contributed to the community's success. These principles are not just moral guidelines, but practical strategies that create sustainable wealth and long-lasting impact. The story of Aaron Horowitz, a prominent business leader, illustrates how these values can shape a prosperous career while fostering societal betterment. Aaron's journey began with a modest startup in tech industry, unlike many of his peers who focused solely on profit maximization. Aaron was deeply influenced by the Jewish concept of tikkun olam, which means repairing the world. This principle guided his business decisions, emphasizing ethical practices, fair treatment of employees, and a commitment to social responsibility. Aaron's company quickly gained a reputation for its ethical standards. This attracted top talent who wanted to work in an environment that aligned with their values. It also drew customers who preferred to support a business that stood for more than just profits. As a result, Aaron's company grew rapidly not just because it offers a great product, but because it operated on a foundation of trust and integrity. One of the most profound impacts of Aaron's ethical approach was seen during an economic downturn. While many companies resorted to layoffs, Aaron implemented creative strategies to retain his workforce, including temporary salary reductions with the promise of future compensation. This decision fostered immense loyalty among his employees, who were willing to go the extra mile to help the company navigate tough times. When the economy rebounded, Aaron's company emerged stronger with a dedicated team ready to capitalize on new opportunities. Philanthropy played a crucial role in Aaron's success as well. He consistently allocated a portion of his profits to community initiatives and charitable causes. One notable project was the establishment of a tech education program for underprivileged youth. This program not only provided valuable skills to participants, but also created a pipeline for talented individuals who later joined Aaron's company, bringing fresh perspectives and innovative ideas. Aaron's philanthropic efforts extended his influence beyond the business world, earning him respect and admiration within the community. This goodwill translated into strong business relationships and a loyal customer base. Moreover, his charitable work created a virtuous cycle. As his business grew, so did his ability to give back, which in turn enhanced his company's reputation and success. Another inspiring example is the case of Miriam Cohen, a real estate developer. Miriam adhered to the Jewish principle of chesed, meaning kindness and compassion, in all her dealings. She prioritized building affordable housing projects that provided quality living conditions for low-income families. This ethical approach did not go unnoticed. It attracted investors who were interested in making a positive social impact. Miriam's projects were not only financially successful but also made a tangible difference in the lives of many people. Miriam's commitments to philanthropy extended to creating scholarships for aspiring real estate professionals from disadvantaged backgrounds. These scholarships opened doors for individuals who otherwise might not have had the opportunity to enter the field, thereby diversifying and enriching the industry. The stories of Aaron and Miriam demonstrate that ethical business practices and philanthropy are powerful tools for building sustainable wealth. By prioritizing integrity and social responsibility, they not only achieved financial success but also created lasting legacies that benefited their communities and inspired others. This principle, deeply rooted in Jewish culture, offers a timeless blueprint for success that transcends industries and generations. Remember, wealth is not just about accumulating money, but also about creating a positive impact and fostering a just society. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.